start streaming, and hopefully YouTube gets to see it now. So I just lost a bunch of fucking VOD shit. God, that's so fucking stupid. So I've been programming for ages, but for whatever reason, when I restarted the fucking stream earlier today, it was all fucked up. So YouTube isn't gonna have it. Whatever. God damn it. It be like that sometimes. Let me copy this. Um, It's the dashboard for Cloudflare. Um, I'm building a website. I'm trying to basically build a an automated version of Wikipedia, sort of, kind of. Um, we'll figure out how it goes. Um, yeah, analytics. Ooh, interesting. So why are there so many requests to the website? Interesting. Um, in a way, yes. The way to think about it is Wikipedia right now. That's the end goal of it. But if you think about the structure of Wikipedia, what people do on Wikipedia, the editors, they essentially just do linguistic reasoning to figure out whether they are going to accept an edit or not. They do have some bots on there that help you make sure whether something's valid or not. But at its core, the thing that people do on Wikipedia is language reasoning. And now that large language models exist, whenever we're doing this linguistic reasoning that people do, we can outsource that to LLMs. So I'm trying to build a system that essentially does that. Now, to be clear, there's a lot of stuff going on in there. There's a lot of things I need to work on to make this work. But that's kind of the idea. One thing I want to do that I'd like to do better than Wikipedia right now is Wikipedia stops you at secondary sources. So essentially, what you need is you need somebody else to interpret a phenomenon before you're allowed to put it on Wikipedia. So let's say you put a blog post about yourself, about your life, up on the internet. In order for that to go on Wikipedia, you need a secondary source to like review it and explain it itself. You can't actually link the source. This makes it so Wikipedia is like bad for research, in my opinion. It's bad for figuring out what's really going on, and it kind of creates a skew that I'm not sure we want. And also, if you want to really figure out what's going on, like you can't. You just have to use other people's shit. So I know that's a lot. Does that make sense? Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. This is just a side project for me. How are you doing today, Mukito? Mukito, how do I pronounce your name? Pages. Where is my thing? I'm not seeing it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you have a new kid? That's cool, man. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Congratulations. That's amazing. I'm really happy. A boy or a girl? It's a girl? Gotcha. Yeah. My backend's in Rust. I'm not working in Rust right now because I'm doing a bunch of other stuff, but the business logic is going to go in my Rust backend. Um, so it that's where it's going to go. I've been like rethinking this project structure though. This is always one of those things where like you think about the architecture and you're always like, oh God, that was really not a good idea. Um, so like the back end is written in Rust, right? Which is awesome. I love Rust. Um, but there's a lot of stuff that I could simplify my life with by using Supabase because I use Postgres in the back anyways. Yeah, I'm using Axum. Um, and like to me, I'm fairly tempted to like move over a lot of my stuff to Supabase. Like I haven't made my decision 100% right now, but like the more I think about it, the more I like think to myself, it's like, do I really want to design an endpoint for every single fucking thing in Rust that I need to? Like there's things I have to because like they're business logic things that like require it. But like for things like just pulling data, like I feel like I don't want to write all the code for all that all the time, you know? A former boss once told you, well, I don't see the next message yet. Maybe it's just loading. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Holy shit. That's some that's not a good boss. Jesus Christ. What kind of software stuff do you do? You go web dev or are you somebody who does like more close to the low level shit or what? Yeah, the thing is I feel like Supabase will make it faster for me to deploy though. And I might as well learn it, you know. Like I just need like a solid 2 weeks of time to focus on this and nothing else. Because I have real work, right? And I do this outside of my real work, but still. I see. Yeah. Makes sense. So I don't really understand, like, I don't know. I guess I don't understand why there's like, why front end, I don't know, man. Like, what makes somebody specific? I don't, why have front end devs? Why not just have full stack? Like, I don't know. I probably just don't understand stuff. Okay. Securities. Don't give a shit. Oh, yeah. But like, I don't know. I feel like if you need a front end dev just for like the front end, I don't know. I feel like something's gone wrong. I don't know. I'm probably totally wrong here. Okay, GitLab. Connect GitLab. Are you in the Bay Area? Just out of curiosity. Get my login stuff going. Okay. GitLab. Where's my GitLab login? There it is. Or verification code. You guys don't get to see this. Oh, you live in Sweden. Damn. That's very different from what I expected. I heard that in Europe the pay for software engineers is like way lower than the pay for people in the US. Is that true? Uh, Set up production branch main. I okay. Yeah. I know, I know. It's so silly the way the U. There's some stuff in the U.S. that's so silly, but that's life, right? Um, I guess I don't know, man. Do you like what part of Sweden are you in? Are you at right near what are you in Stockholm? No, it's a Stockholm is not. It's Denmark, isn't it? What's the big one in Sweden? Let me look this up. Sweden. Because there's one up here. No, Stockholm's in Sweden. Sorry, I'm just being stupid. I'm thinking Copenhagen. Yeah. I know that feel. I've done these calculations for myself too. It's not good. You live in Linkoping. Ah, you live right here. That's cool. Somewhere around this area. What's the Linkoping climate? Let me just look this up. I'm always interested in like checking out the climate of places when I look them up just to compare. Oh, so it's not that bad. It's pretty nice actually. I feel like everybody thinks of Sweden as being Sweden's cold. It doesn't seem bad at all, I don't feel like. Like, so if I compare to Peoria, Illinois, which is near where I am. Let me pull this up. I get the graph for it. You guys are like slightly colder than us sometimes, but it's more temperate in the summers. Yeah. Well, here's the thing. The lows for us in Peoria, Illinois, it's saying for us the lows are actually worse than they are for you. I'm not trying to compare, just well, I am comparing, but I'm not trying to like be like, oh, so much colder than you. I'm not trying to do that. Yeah, dude, California like basically is like temperate all year long. It's great. I'm gonna be moving back to California soon, I think. I'm gonna be so excited for that. I'm gonna be really excited for that. Okay. Okay. Cool beans. Testing. Save and deploy. Let's try to figure this out. Oh yeah. So if I go to Sweden, let me look at what's this like? Actually, let me look at the climate for Copenhagen. Copenhagen climate. I'm just curious if there's much of a difference. I doubt it. It's about the same, right? Yeah. Yep. I do not want to do that. Okay. this out. I made the file. Check this out. I made the file. Check this out. What did I do wrong? Oh, wait. Did I just not push? I didn't push, that's why. I'm a data engineer. All I really do is I like wrangle data for people to make it look nice. I don't really do anything that's actually like real, I would say. I shouldn't say it like that, but still. Okay. Like so much of my stuff is like not real, I feel like. No, that's not right what I would say. It is real, but like it doesn't feel like professional data engineering. I don't know how to explain it. So data engineering is like, let's say you have a big company that isn't some like web company. Like let's say it's a big company that does, I don't know, insurance, right? So the insurance companies has all these DBs and all this information that they're trying to like get together. Um, they're trying to figure out how to make things work, essentially. Um, and a lot of times you have to like wrangle this data from like 50 million different systems into something that's useful to make actual decisions about the business. I saw a funny meme the other day on the data engineering subreddit where it's like, I've always wanted to turn unstructured data into valuable business insights, which is actually what they do. It's like you take all this data from all these different source systems and you make it so it's useful to people. And you also fuck around with the source system sometimes because like sometimes the DBs aren't set up properly or you need to do this, that, or the other thing. So that's what you can think about. Yeah, it's something like that. Like how many customers which are in an area. That's like one way to think about it. Just think about it this way, right? Like there's a lot of data needs that companies outside of like tech just need in general. And like you have to figure out how to like wrangle the data. Like sometimes you're working on a database itself, right? Sometimes you're working on how to upload data to the database. Sometimes you're working on like how do I get it so the dashboard's correct. Sometimes you're like writing data contracts with other teams to make sure that they it has it documented that this is the data they're going to send you and if they fail, right? Like you can say, "Hey, we got this contract and you guys aren't following it." Yeah. A lot of it is just about like monitoring too, right? Sometimes you just want to know when something fails. You don't necessarily need to know, like, it's not, and that drives the decision if that makes any sense. Okay, I gotta check. Is my website going now? Dang. Let me get this done. So why is the CNAME a problem? Because we need the content for it. How do I? Yeah. All right, all right, all right. There we go. Okay. Okay. So let's change that. Oh, why? I can just do control backspace, can't I? I could have just done a control shift. How do I go to the other? It's not what I wanted to do. IDOS dash v2 dot pages dot dev 01 plan. He just like that. He's just a barker. He's very sensitive. Plus, I live with neighbors around me, and he hears them. He's a guard dog. That's the right way to phrase it. Or he thinks he is. Can you not? What are you doing, puppy? Calm down. He probably just saw my neighbor's dog and nearly got upset, or he heard the other dog bark. You're okay. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Stop worrying so much. Ah. Okay. That doesn't make sense to me. Wait, what? Oh, I see. No, he doesn't like my neighbor's dog. Just because it's his enemy. Wow. Uh, Alright, it's his mortal enemy, right? I think that's how he views it. Shouldn't this be var.domain, right? Okay. Alright, let me try that one more time. There we go. Let's see if that works. Cool. Let's see. Okay, so something got fucked up on Cloudflare, which is a little bit better. All right. See you soon. Have a good one. That's odd. Life is like a mono repo. Cloudflare. Right, website. Uh, I don't like that I have to. Okay. How do I preview? Oh, I guess there are multiple environments, which makes sense. Pages, your project, custom domains. There we go. What's the difference? I guess I'm really confused. Okay. Okay, so it should be deployed soon, hopefully. Well, deploy something. It's not going to be like for a project in the way I want it to be. buddy? Shoot. Okay, cool. Nice. My webpage is going. Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh, what? Why is the documentation for this so bad? I need to eat some food, don't I? No. Apex domain. Resource cloud. Pages domain. Nope. Why is it upset? Okay. What's going on here, buddy? Where's the fucking documentation? But what is it? Is that right? Please tell me I have this right. Shut it, dude. Modi! Modi, go to your crate. Go to your crate. Go to your crate. Crate! Sit! Ah! Ah! No! Hey! No! Go to your crate. Go to your crate. Hey! No! Uh-uh. Hmm. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, and it's beautiful. Hmm. I need to change some tokens, don't I? very close to getting deployment done. Well, I mean, I kind of already did, but I just want to do it right, you know? I need to do the thing. I'm doing the thing again. And by the thing, I mean degeneracy. Motherfucker. God damn. God damn it, god damn it, god damn, god damn. Damn it, god damn. Woo! Reality is fascinating. I'm in my psycho phase for development. You guys get to watch me do laundry. I'm sure it's the most exciting thing in the world. I'm sure you guys are fucking crying right now because of how exciting it is. If you guys aren't crying because of how exciting it is for me to do laundry, I'm gonna shoot you in the head. He comes back and he's like, what the fuck? Sorry, Mukito. I'm just going psychotic because when I don't have anybody paying attention to my stream or thread, I say a bunch of psycho shit just because I can. It's just sorry. Or when I don't think people are watching. Ugh. Life. America. More permissions to is. Keep it together! Keep it together! Woo! Why do I even have cursor rules anymore? What did I even put those there for? I feel like I should delete them. This is wrong, isn't it? Yeah. We don't need this, don't I? Modi! Stop it! Why are you barking so much today? Jesus, dog. I don't know what's up with you. No. So I gotta delete the domain thing, don't I? 29 unique visitors. It's more than I would expect. Where's the projects then? Where's the fucking... What? Okay, there we go. Compute. Okay. Try it one more time. Okay. Disappear! Oh, I get it. That's funny. Sometimes you think of things and you're like, wow, how long does peanut butter last? How long does peanut butter last? Hey! Hey! Stop it! There's nothing to bark at! Stop it! Stop it! Oh my god. Hey! No! No! I just want to eat my peanut butter in peace. Please, puppy. Hey, be peaceful. Don't try and start fights with the neighbor dog. That's all you want to do. You want to start fights with the neighbor dog. Okay. Oh my lord. Okay. Okay, let me try this. So who owns this thing? Okay. I just want to check something. What's the difference between these two? They're so much different in size. Right? Am I seeing that? Okay. I need to use the pisser in a bit. I am flowing water constantly through my body. The flow. The flow. Oh, this is perfect for my command line thing. I set up. I have this wrong. There we go. Oh man, I need to use the. There we go. Come on, I don't want to think right now. I'm gonna be a degen here. Yeah. You guys don't get to see it. And if I did show it to you by accident, I'm a real screw up then. You guys don't get to see that. I should never have that file open. Ever. Okay. Yesterday I learned TIL Terraform. Ah, that's funny. That's funny. I'm excited. We'll see. Okay, so let me try this. I gotta end soon, so my brain is allowed to sleep for tomorrow. I know, I should be just reading the docs better. It's thinking. It's thinking. Let's get Jippity. Jippity, 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 jippity. I feel so bad for the Perplexity guys. Ah. No, how do I edit it? Sorry. Sorry, I gotta figure this out. Dude, I should just look this up, man. I can't look through all this shit, though. Like, Jesus Christ, there's a lot of fucking stuff. Like, look at all this. Chippity. Ah! It is there. I'm gonna have to like delete everything in Cloudflare, aren't I, and rebuild it. I don't like that. Oh my god. I don't want it to know my stuff. Is it? It's gonna time out, isn't it? It's about to time out. Jeez. You guys don't get to see the file I'm about to open. Okay, let's try that. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, because I need to, don't I? Yeah, need to redo it. CD, another test. What the fuck? I want to use Terraform. Hey, I'm glad I did. Build them softwares. All right, I'm gonna ask it one more question and then I'm out for the night because it's 9 o'clock for me and I'm sleepy. But I've been streaming 6 hours. Holy shit. Whew. Okay. You should probably push. Uh, I don't want to use a fucking UI for setting things up. I was just looking at ChatGPT for this, wasn't I? G'day. Jippity. Shut it. Ah! No! 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 Ah! Hey! 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 Get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! No! Come on! No! Modi, come here! You want to go in your crate? You can go in your crate. Oh, my fucking laundry's not done. I still need to stop streaming, though. My brain's gonna get fried. I mean, it already is fried. Actually, hold up. I should probably just use the fucking thing I did before. Oh wait, that's the wrong name for it. I want to just export what I have right now. This is such a pain, but it's going to matter so much in the long run for us. It's going to be valuable for us in the long run so much. Just because the lookup for this shit is terrible. It's like the UI is right there. Like, I want it to be the case that, like, I know exactly what in the UI corresponds to what in the config itself. You need to stop it, buddy. Take me magnesium. What? Oh my lord. I need to force myself to stop. There's so much Terraform to do! Like, I don't want it to be, like, using a UI. It seems like a bad idea. Like, I want to know exactly in the code what my settings are. Like, Ba 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 ba. I need to stop. You know what? I'm done for today. I have work stuff I have to do, so I probably won't do stuff tomorrow. But it's life. See you guys.